Welcome to Prairie and Perfection. Today I am sharing with you 4 recipes that will be healthier snacks slash desserts for those of you who are on health journeys. I hope you find this helpful. So this is going to be popsicles, but we want to make them a little bit healthier than the normal popsicles. So we are going to use these little popsicle thing. I got this for $3 at Walmart. Then we use this little, like whatever, it doesn't have to be anything special, just a cheap yogurt that's kind of runny. This is Activia coconut. What, 2.9%. Usually the lower the percent, the runnier it is. And then I also have a blueberry. And yeah, we're making the popsicle right now, so we might try some of each. And then you can add some whatever kind of choice of fruit you like in it. And today I'm going to be using this because that's what I got. It's just like a mixed berry thing that I got from Costco. But whatever you have works well. If you want to use your fresh fruit, you can use that too. So all you have to do is your mixing bowl. Okay, so you dump some of your yogurt in there. Might as well just use the whole thing. Then you add your berries. My berries are a little bit broken, but that's fine because it might actually be easier for us. And now we just put it in here. So obviously these desserts slash snacks have a lot of carbs to them, but carbs, in my opinion, are still essential to our diets, and we need energy. That's what carbs give us. And these carbs, at least our body can use a little bit more because they are natural carbs. Okay, there you go. Got the molds filled up, and now I have, some left over still. So I'll just stick that back into the original container, and I can store it in my fridge until we eat some and can refill the mold up. Or if you have more kids, then you can probably have a second mold, but we only have 2 kids, and limited freezer space. This is the protein peanut butter balls, and for this we need 2/3 of a cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons honey. I just used regular honey and melted it in the microwave to make it more liquidy. You could probably use liquid honey too, it's all the same. This is 1 cup rolled oats, this is half a cup coconut, and this is half a cup flax seeds. And you could add chocolate chips if you want, but I decided I did not want to because chocolate just has a lot of sugar in it, so let's not add more sugar than we need. So you just need a bowl, spoon, or spatula, and mix it together.
This one's goldfish in a bowl. I think this one's goldfish in a bowl.
Okay, Anya, can you dump that one in the bowl? Great job, Anya.
This one, Mommy.
Okay, can you dump it? Can you reach it there? Great.
And this one.
And now that one.
Yeah.
Wow. Now Mom will put the honey in.
Honey.
There. Now we just stir it up. This is a number 40 scoop. It's just a small little cookie scoop. And we make the balls. If you do not have a cookie scoop, you can probably just use your hand. I just happen to have one, so I thought it would be easier to use the scoop so that they'd be all more Oh, you're gonna eat one of those, Eli? Okay, now you can just stick them in the fridge for about half an hour till they harden a little bit more and solidify. For this next one, it is apricot balls. So we will need 1.5 cups of apricots, 1 cup of walnuts or whatever kind of nut that you would like to put in there. And I'm putting a teaspoon of cardamom in mine because I might want to eat them and I think it will taste good. So we will see how that goes. So you need a food processor for this. And you gotta just blend it and all together until it's blended together and it sticks into balls. So it looks like that, like sandy kind of. Then I will just use the same purple scoop to make my balls. So again, apricots would be very high in carbs and sugar, and the walnuts they have like the good kind of fat, but they are still fat, so keep in mind. Okay, so now I have my coconut, and I just kind of food processed this a little bit more too because my coconut was shredded but still kind of longer flakes, so I just made it smaller flakes so it stuck better. Then I have just a tiny bowl of water just to get the coconut to stick a little bit more, so I just roll the ball in the water first and then into the coconut, and you got that. If you don't like coconut, you can probably skip this whole thing altogether or blend up some walnut pieces. Just roll it in the walnuts. That would be pretty tasty too. Okay guys, so that is that, and now I'm going to sit this in the fridge and let it set for a bit. Apple crisp. I used 2 apples for this, and flour, cinnamon, and sugar went in there. I kind of just eyeballed. I would say like maybe like 1/4 cup or an 1/8 of a cup of the sugar and the flour. Just to make the crisp topping, you might as well just use a dirty bowl because it creates less dishes. So I am putting 1/2 cup of room temperature butter. I am putting 1/2 cup of sugar. When you do any type of baking recipe, I find most of the recipes have way too much sugar. So the recipe that I looked at had 1 cup of sugar for this, but I thought we could cut it down to 1/2 cup. This is a cup of oatmeal, rolled oats, there we go. A cup of rolled oats. 1/2 cup of white flour, and then I'm going to do 1/4 cup of flaxseed just to add extra calories. Okay, then you just mix that up with your hand or a spatula, whichever you find is easier. I find just mixing with your hand is easier. Then you just put some on top, crumble it on top. Okay, so that, wow. So 2 apples, and the recipe that I did for the crisp would make 12. So that probably is the smart thing to do. Then you put it in the oven for half an hour or 40 minutes. Probably half an hour is good. So those are my 4 healthier dessert snack recipes. I hope you enjoyed them, and comment below if you try them out and if you find any that you enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel already, and if you have not, please click the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!